Welcome, thanks for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be introducing our 3 latest compounds. So today, let's play compounds versus Ka. So our little Ford K8 looks okay in normal lighting conditions, but as you can see, once we get it under the intense lighting, you can see all the usual wash marks, swirls and minor scratches. These are consistent with what you would expect of a vehicle of this age and colour that hasn't had a dedicated wash routine. So before polishing, we're going to carry out a physical decontamination, and as you can see, this car is not as clean as it looks. This is the last thing that you want getting mixed in your polishing pad. Okay guys, so now we know the general condition of the paintwork that we're dealing with on this little Ford Ka. We're going to have a look at this particular section here. So on this area, we've got a mix of different types of defects. We've got light swirls, we've got medium to more deep scratches, and we've got a couple of deeper scratches down at the bottom. So to tackle this, I would normally recommend our Enrich, which is our tried and tested medium cut compound. Fantastic product, really easy to use, finishes down nicely as well. And we're going to use that in conjunction with our green medium density pad. So let's give it a go. Okay, so now we've spent a couple of minutes on that, let's just give it a buff and see what sort of results we get with this combination. So hopefully you can see there the difference between the section that we just completed and obviously this section over here. There are a few deeper marks in there which, if we were going for a full correction, we would use one of our ultra heavy cut compounds. If we're going to go with a single stage sort of correction, this is the sort of level that we'll be looking at. We could do that a second time, so we could do a second pass which might improve that even further, or we could move on and use the next product which I'm going to show you. Okay guys, so the next product I'm going to show you is our brand new Correct and Protect. Now what Correct and Protect is an SiO2 infused ceramic based polishing compound. So you can use this as a single step product which will help to polish the vehicle and infuse protection that lasts up to 3 months, or it can be used as a finishing polish. So like the panel that we previously did with Enrich, I could then go over it with this product to refine it and add protection afterwards. So let's take a look. So unlike your regular compounds, this isn't a product that needs to be worked for a long time. So you're not going to get the same sort of breakdowns you would with something like Enrich or with Ultra Cut. And then we're just going to buff off the remaining residue. Flip my towel. So you've got to think of removing this more like removing a protective product, because that's in essence what this is doing. So there you go, nice shiny polished paintwork with up to 3 months protection. So that's Correct and Protect. Okay guys, so for the final product I want to show you, which is our Ultra Cut Heavy Cut Compound, we've moved to a different area of the vehicle, so this area's got a lot of heavy scratches, a lot of heavy swirl marks. Now, when we're using a heavy cut compound such as this, we shouldn't expect to get flawless results straight away, because with it being a heavy cut compound, there's quite a lot of abrasive in there. It is going to leave some sort of polishing marks, which we're then probably going to have to refine by dropping down to the Enrich, which we showed you earlier. So I'm going to put a couple of drops of this on my pad and let's give it a go on this back panel. I'm using the firm foam pad just for this section. So the process is going to be exactly the same. Put on my towel. Okay, so let's take a look. So hopefully you can see there, that's a massive improvement. However, as I said, there are some circular polishing marks in there now, so we will need to refine that with something less aggressive, just to remove those and give you that final glossy finish. But that is it's a big improvement over what was already on that panel. So remember guys, our brand new range of compounds are in stock now, both in store and online, including our very favourite one, which is Enrich. So check them out and I'll see you soon.